I-Select Africa TV update sanibonani ngenibingelela futhi ngenamukela igama lami nginguSinenhlanhla. U-DJ wakuleli uphinde abe umphathi we-Afrotainment aphinde abe umhleli wemicimbi u-DJ Tira ukhala ngokuthi uyacela ukuthi izwe livule. uTira ufake epagini lakhe la Facebook la becelela khona ukuthi abaphathi bezwe balivule izwe ngenxa ukuthi bayalimala futhi ke impela indlala iyababulala. Uyacela nje uzizweleke nawe mbukeli insizwa izikhalela.
Hey guys, angifuna ungasho saze sasha singama artists, singama event organizers. Honestly, when is the country going to be open? Because us as event organizers, we are only limited to hosting 2,000 people. In fact, make that 1,500 people, because obviously you still have artists, you've got the suppliers, you've got the promo girls, you've got everybody who works at the event. You can't charge them, so we can't sell tickets to them, so we end up selling 1,500 tickets. So we are used at hosting like 20,000 people, 15,000 people, but right now how am I? So Mr. President, Rams, Baba, me and you used to get along. I remember you video calling each other. So I think you will be able to, remember me. Please do something. We are dying of hunger. We are dying of hunger. So please, can we open the country a little bit more? Maybe 5,000 people or 10,000 people, so that we can generate more revenue. And everybody can eat. Nothing about events, everyone eats on events, artists, suppliers, so many people that chow there. So please, you wanna chow as well, eh? So please, can we open the country just a little bit more? Effective rocks na yagoa manje. Yo, kubi. So please, kulaba petty country, please do something. It's a cry from the one and only Makoya parents.
Masiqhubela phambili noma kungakaziwa ukuthi ngabe yini egcine yenza uNomankulankulu Roberts obengumthuli wezinhlelo zakhona la eNingizimu Afrika ogcine edlulile emhlabeni. Umndeni wakhe uqinisekisile lokho estatementeni osikhiphile, kanti badlulise ukuthi bayadabuka ukuthi baqinisekise ukuthi usedlulile emhlabeni. Indodakazi yabo ethandekayo umama ugogo ephinde futhi ibe udadewabo. Baphinde bathi bayacela ukuthi umndeni unikwe isikhathi sokubhekana nesimo uphinde futhi uzipholise amanxeba kahle. Kanti ke nasenkundleni zokuxhumana mbukeli osaziwayo abebesebenza kanye naye intokazi baphinde nabo baqhubeka badluliswa amazwi enduduzo. Nathi siyithimba le-Select Africa TV sithi emndenini ehlobene abantwana nabangani sithi alwehlanga olungehliyo. Sizoqhubeka ke mbukeli sikwazise mayelana nezinhlelo zokumfihla. Izona ke esikuphathele zona osukwini lwanamhlanje. Mina nginguSinenhlanhla, le i-Select Africa TV.